Lesson 1-9, 2 formulas for volume. Yesterday we started taking a look at how we might not always need to find the length and the width if we know the area of one of the bases, or have a full layer like we do here in purple. Both of these formulas mean the same thing, and they'll both help us find the volume of rectangular prisms. Sometimes it might be smarter to use one than the other though. In this case, we have the length, the width, and the height. So it would be easier to find the volume using the first formula. But in the bottom rectangular prism, we're given a full layer and how many layers we could stack up. So it would be easier in this case to use the area of the base times the height. In the different examples that we do today, I want you to think about which formula would be best to use and why. In our first example, we have a box. The height is given to us as 10 centimeters. Then we only have one other number, 25 centimeters squared. This is the area of the top of the box. Which formula should we use in this example? Volume equals length times width, or volume equals base times height? Well, considering that we only have two numbers to work with here, using the second formula would be our best bet. The area of the base is 25. And we would multiply this by the height of the box, which is 10. When we multiply them together, we get 250. Don't forget to label units. Since they gave us the measurement in centimeters, we must keep it the same. The volume is 250 cubic centimeters. In example 2, we aren't given any numbers, but I might be able to figure out each side by counting the cubes. Count with me. The length would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 cubes. The width would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the height is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 layers of cubes high. Now that we have enough information to solve this problem, which formula do you think I should use? If you said the first one, I totally agree. We have all 3 pieces, so let's plug in the numbers and solve. Length would be 7 times the width of 5 times 6 for our height. 7 times 5, 35 times 6. I'm going to do a little work over here. 35 times 6. Remember, start on the right side. 5 times 6 is 30. 3 times 6 is 18. 19, 20, 21. Our volume is 210. We weren't given any units in this example, but we still have to label them. Whenever we don't have a label, we say that the volume is measured in cubic units. I can write it this way, or this way. They both mean cubic units. In example 3, we aren't given any cubes, but we have 3 measurements. This rectangular prism is 11 inches by 4 inches by 6 inches. Which formula for volume should I use? That's right, I should use the first one. I have 3 measurements, so I'm going to fill it in to my formula. Volume equals length, that's 11, times our width, 4, times our height, 6. Perfect. Now let's solve. I'm going to do 4 times 6 because I know that one's easy. 11 times 24. Now we have to solve using traditional multiplication off to the side. 25 times 11. Whoops, my bad, not 25, 24. 24 times 11. We have 4 times 1. That would be 4. Then we go diagonal, 2 times 1, this way, would be 2. Now, since I'm done with that one, I'm going to cross it out and I'm going to lay down my 0. Then we do the other diagonal, 4 times 1 is 4, and then up and down, 2 times 1 would be 2. Now we add these two. 4 plus 0 is 4. 2 plus 4, 6, and then 2 plus nothing is 2. So our volume here is 264. Am I done yet? Nope, you're right, I didn't label my units. We are given our units in inches, so we are going to say that our volume is 264 cubic inches.